If your Chrome downloads feel painfully slow, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to speed up download speed in Chrome using a few simple methods that can make a real difference right away. We'll start with the best Chrome setting to enable, then I'll show you a few easy internet connection tips, and finally, we'll clear Chrome cache to remove anything that might be slowing things down. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. The first method is the most important one, and it's called parallel downloading. This is a hidden Chrome flag that can help break a single download into multiple connections, which often improves download speed. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer, then click the address bar at the top and type chrome://flags. Press enter, and you'll be taken to Chrome's experimental features page. Now, in the search box on that page, type parallel downloading. Chrome should bring up the setting almost immediately. When you see it, look at the drop-down menu next to it. By default, it will usually be set to default. Click the drop-down and change it to enabled. Once you've done that, look for the relaunch button at the bottom or top of the screen and click it. Chrome will restart. And when it comes back on, the parallel downloading feature will be turned on. This is one of the easiest ways to help Chrome handle downloads more efficiently, especially if you often download large files, videos, or software installers. Now let's move on to the second method, which is improving your internet connection. Sometimes the issue isn't Chrome itself at all. If your connection is unstable or being used by too many devices, your download speed can drop fast. One of the best things you can do is use an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi if that's possible. A wired connection is usually more stable and faster than wireless. If you have to stay on Wi-Fi, try moving closer to your router. Walls, distance, and interference can all weaken the signal and slow things down. Also, restart your router if your connection has been acting up. A quick reboot can often fix temporary network problems and improve performance. Another very important tip is to pause other downloads or streaming activity while you're trying to download something important in Chrome. If another device is using bandwidth for gaming, video calls, or streaming, that can reduce the speed available to your browser. The fewer things competing for your connection, the faster your download is likely to be. So remember, a better connection usually means faster downloads, even if Chrome is already configured properly. Next, let's clean up Chrome by clearing the cache. Over time, Chrome stores cached images, files, cookies, and site data to help pages load faster. But sometimes that stored data can get outdated or corrupted, and that can interfere with browser performance, including downloads. Clearing it can be a simple way to refresh Chrome and remove unnecessary junk. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. That will open the Clear Browsing Data window. In the list of options, make sure you select Cached Images and Files, and Cookies and Site Data. Then set the time range to all time so you get a full cleanup. Once those options are selected, click Delete Data. Chrome will clear out the stored browser data you chose, and after that, try your download again. In many cases, this can help fix slow or stuck downloads caused by browser clutter or old data. At this point, you've gone through the 3 best ways to speed up download speed in Chrome. First, you enabled parallel downloading, which is the best Chrome setting for this problem. Then you improved your internet connection by checking your network and reducing bandwidth usage. And finally, you cleared Chrome cache to remove old data that could be slowing things down. If you want the fastest results, I'd recommend doing all 3 methods together. That gives you the best chance of seeing a noticeable improvement, especially if your downloads have been slow for a while. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, browser tips, and easy fixes for everyday tech problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.